Hello children, how are you all? Today we are going to revise lesson 2 plants for class 5. As we need energy to do different works like that, plants also need energy to grow, to replace their worn out parts, to get rid of waste. So, how the plants take their food? Plants make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. So here in this diagram you can see that plants take water and minerals from the soil by help of their roots, and they take carbon dioxide gas from the air by help of the stomata. Stomata are the tiny holes present on the surface of the leaf, and they also take sunlight for making their own food. So what are the raw materials for making their food or photosynthesis? Carbon dioxide and water, and in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Now what is this chlorophyll? Chlorophyll is the green pigment present in the leaf. These plants you can see Venous flytrap and pitcher plant. These are the insectivorous plant. So why these plants trap the insects? Because they grow in the soil which is deficient of the nutrients like nitrogen. So fulfill the need of the nitrogen, they start trapping the insect. Next you can see reproduction in plants. There are two ways of reproduction in plants. Reproduction through seeds and reproduction through different parts of a plant like underground, root, stem cutting, leaf, like that. So now one by one we will see these two different ways by which the plants reproduce. Here you are watching that the diagram of the bean seed is given. So you can see that the bean seed is covered with brown color covering which is known as seed coat, and there is a hole also in the bean seed which is called micropyle. And when we split the bean seed, it divides into two halves which is known as cotyledon. Now one by one we will see what are the different functions of these parts of the seed. Seed coat protect the seed, and micropyle allows the water to go inside the seed so that the seed can germinate. And cotyledon provide food to baby plant, and when the baby plant starts doing on photosynthesis, then these cotyledons get dry. Next you can see stages of germination in a bean seed. When we sow the seed and give water to the seed, after some time we will see one by one the different stages of the seeds. Next, reproduction by different parts of the plant. We have seen that the plant can reproduce by seed, and the process by which the plant grow into young plant is known as seed germination. Now we will see what are the other methods of growing the new plant. We can grow plant by different methods. For example, by help of the underground stem, by stem cutting, from root, from leaves of plant. So these are the different ways. And when the reproduction takes place by different parts of the plant, such type of reproduction is called vegetative reproduction. It is having great importance because it is an easier and faster method of increased number of same plant. It also helps to grow plants like banana which bear no seed. Next we will see the different methods of vegetative reproduction. So here you can see that the ginger and potato we can grow by help of their underground stem. Next is reproduction by stem cutting. Plants like sugarcane, bougainvillea, rose and grapes can be grown by help of their stem cutting. Reproduction through root. Dahlia and sweet potato can be grown by help of their underground root. Next you can see reproduction through leaf. Bryophyllum plants can be grown by help of the leaves. You can see so many small plants at the margin of the leaf. When this leaf fall down on the ground, then the new plants develop from it. Now next topic is the seed dispersal. What is the meaning of seed dispersal? The way by which the seed transfer from one place to another, such ways are called seed dispersal. Why the seed dispersal is needed? Suppose if all seeds will fall down at the same place, then there will be a struggle to get sufficient air, water, sunlight and nutrients, and many of them may die also. So there is need of seed dispersal. Now one by one we will see different methods of seed dispersal. Dispersal by wind. The seeds which are lighter and having wing can dispersed by this method like madar seed, dandelion, cottonseed and hiptage seed. Dispersal by water. Plants which are near water bodies, sea, river, lake, disperse their seeds through water. Next you can see dispersal by birds, insects and rodents. Birds, insects and rodents carry the seeds from one place to another, and in this way they help in the seed dispersal. Dispersal by human and animals. We human beings are also very good source of seed dispersal. We are eating fruits and throwing it in the dustbin, then it goes to the soil. Dispersal through cracking and bursting. Some fruits crack and burst on ripening and scatter their seed far away from the plant. Example you can see seeds of pea, ladyfinger, bean and balsam get dispersed by this method. So children, I think this chapter is clear to you. You read it twice, then you will better understand it. Have a nice day children. Thank you.